With the ongoing controversy about gun control in America, I'll tell you what I think. Gun control has never been about the guns, it's about control. As leaks and information come out about our government, they all have one thing in common. Our leaders in DC want control over the American citizen. America is the greatest country in the world because of our freedom. These gun control laws and ideas that have been proposed in recent years threaten the privilege our founding fathers fought for, the right to bear arms. Our government imposing such laws is going against the Second Amendment, fails to properly address gun violence, and refuses to accept the statistics that prove more gun control does not lead to less crime. Democrats and pro-gun activists insist that with stricter laws, the mass shootings and violent gun crimes that plague America will disappear. What these believers fail to realize or refuse to accept is that their statements can be disproved by analyzing our 50 states and the violence correlated with their gun laws or lack thereof. Have you ever heard of Baltimore or Chicago? If you have, it's probably because they are anonymously ranked the first and second most dangerous cities in America. But did you know Maryland and Illinois have some of the strictest gun laws in the country? How can our most dangerous cities be found in pro-gun control states if these laws are supposed to limit violence? As of 2015, in the 30 states that allow open carry, violent crime was 23% lower, murder rate was 5% lower, aggravated assault was 23% lower, and robbery rates were 36% lower. Gill in 2015. According to a study done by the Center for Disease Control, between 1993 and 2003, gun ownership increased by 56%, but yet gun violence declined by almost 50%. If these people were correct, then wouldn't gun violence have increased during that time period? Bandler, 2016. Not only do these statistics disprove gun control limits crime, taking guns away would be in violation of our Second Amendment that states, a well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms, shall not be infringed. Gun control violates the very promise our founding fathers of this country fought for. Thomas Jefferson once said, the beauty of the Second Amendment is that it will not be needed until they try to take it. We are in the time he predicted. That one day the government would come after the American people's rights to bear arms. With this continuous push to eliminate firearms for civilian use, this will see the right to trap and trophy hunt abolished, crime deterred by armed citizens no more, and the right to protect your family, your home, your property seen as a crime. When these laws reach Washington, our legislators, activists, and the gun control community bring up a lot of numbers. Well, here are the numbers they don't like to bring up. Suicide attributes to a lot more gun deaths than people realize. In 2016, nearly 38,000 people died from guns, but 22,938 deaths were from suicide by firearm, while 14,415 people died in gun homicides. That means only 40% of that total number came from crimes. Matthews, 2018. When we look at other countries, Australia and Britain are heralded for their gun laws. However, a 2007 British Journal and a 2008 University of Melbourne study concluded that Australia's temporary gun ban had no effect on their gun homicide rate. In Britain's case, they found that since their gun ban was implemented, there has only been 1 year where the homicide rate was lower than it was pre-ban. Bandler, 2016. In 1976, DC implemented a law that banned citizens from owning guns. Annual homicides rose from 188 in 1976 to 364 in 1988, and then increased even further to 454 in 1993. In 2008, the Supreme Court struck down that gun ban, and homicides steadily declined since then to 88 murders in 2012. Bandler, 2016. I'll repeat it again. Gun control has never been about the guns. It's about control. So my point here is this. As America starts to make important decisions regarding guns, and you can bet there will be more and more votes regarding gun control, don't go against history. Don't go against the statistics. Don't go against what makes this country the best in the world. Vote for our freedom. Vote for guns.